Yeah, hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. We are currently on the dailymarketupdate.com website, and today we want to talk about a stock and we want to talk about Honeywell. So if you're interested in daily free Elliott-Wave updates, then feel free to register here on the website. You can find a link to the website in the video description, and then you can receive daily free Elliott-Wave updates about the different asset classes: oil, US stocks, cryptocurrencies, the gold market, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500. Let's take a look at a stock today. We take a look at Honeywell, and here you can see, first of all, the written update. You can see the short-term and long-term and medium-term support and resistance levels, as well as the screenshots, and you can get access to these if you decide to register for free on this website. So let's take a look at the two-day chart first. Let's hide that. And yeah, you can see quite a bullish outlook. So our preferred scenario is a bullish outlook about Honeywell. So this is the two-day chart now, the long-term outlook. First of all, you can see it here on the chart that most recently, that was end of last year, the price dipped into this trading area, into this support zone, which we now have added to the chart or highlighted in gray on the chart because it's not useful anymore. You know, this was a communicated support zone which worked out, the price reversed, then formed in magenta wave 1, another small impulse and a pullback into the next support zone which we communicated, and it appears that the price is now moving up in magenta wave 3. Magenta wave 3 should take the price eventually above $222.56, and then also above the next resistance at $236.86. And then at some point, magenta wave 3 should complete. We should get another wave 4 pullback and a wave 5 to the upside to really complete this green wave 3, which is the third wave after wave 2 bottomed in October last year. So this green, dark green wave 3 consists of 5 waves as well. And we only have so far seen the magenta 1-2 setup, and the third wave, which is typically the most aggressive rally in a trend, that is still due to unfold and maybe has started already. In an alternative perspective, we are currently only in a B wave rally. So in this alternative perspective, which we assign 36% probability or a 36% likelihood, you can see that we're currently moving up in wave B in blue after an A wave bottomed end of 2022. So A wave down, alternative wave A, alternative B wave now in play, and we after we complete this 3-wave corrective rally, we should see the price decline back below the previous breakout points here, and then towards basically new lows, which should probably, we cannot guarantee that, but that often happens, end below the A wave low. So we will see if that actually occurs. But for now, the focus can be higher or on higher prices against the last swing low, especially because even in this blue B wave, we should see rising prices. So in the blue B wave, we would expect rising prices, and in magenta wave 3. How can we differentiate between the two? Well, it is the wave 4 pullback that should happen after the rally. So if the market can hold a higher low, and we might be able to offer a trading area for that pullback, well, then we should still see a 5th wave to the upside. That again would complete magenta wave 3, and then there will be a dark green wave 3, then there will be dark green wave 4, and it should still continue to rise. Now let's take a look at the shorter time frame. Here you can see the price development in more detail. You can see that after dark green wave 2 bottomed in October 2023, so last year, we've seen this 5-wave advance. So we consider that an impulse. There was no overlap between wave 1 and 4. And it's a 5-wave pattern. Magenta wave 1, the pullback was nicely corrective. So a 3-wave pullback into a trading area, found support there at $189.66. And for now, we expect the price with a 65% probability to continue to go higher on this time frame with a lower probability, which is our alternative perspective on this to our chart, 35% probability, we would expect the price, or the price could break below the red line here at 189.66. And in that case, wave 2 didn't finish, and wave 2 might finish a little bit later in our alternative wave 2. But with a 65% likelihood, we see the wave 2 already complete. This would be further confirmed with a successful breakout above the magenta wave 1 high and the green resistance level here at $211.42. So overall, in summary, quite a bullish outlook on both presented timeframes. And yeah, hopefully you liked the update about Honeywell. If you did, then yeah, feel free to use the link in the description to register on our website for free. And here you can receive then the free daily Elliott-Wave updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.